our fairy cannot cross the river, said Lily. Our fairy need hit a breath to cross the river, said it can't just let Bill or breath, said May. Let it a breath before we will eat, said Cat, and we will draw and build 3 breaths. Said May. I got leave to build a breath, said May. I got bow, I got and rock, said Lily. I got long grass and steak, said Cat. Little as well as our fairy calls the river, said Cat. As you know, our fairy calls our heart ill her wings, said May. Little it can hold 3. Rouse, said Cat. Little is our strongest breath. It is our strongest breath, said Lily. Let build it breath out, said Lily. I live in Angela. It is a country, large country with lots of open space. Many animals live here. I live in the river of Angela. I look like a beaver with a dark bill. I eat sea bark on the river bottom. I live in the forest head of Angela. I am one of a big bat in the wall. I eat sweet fruit and flower. I live in the desert of Angela. I have on too big egg. I carry my baby in my pouch. I live in the desert and forget of Angela. I ride into a bowl when I am scared. I eat the meat and I live in the tree of Angela. I make my nest with leaf. I am yellow with a green body. I live on the seashore of Angela. I dig a hole in the sand to lay a big egg. I catch fish in the sea. I live in the tree of Angela. I eat nothing but especially. People live in home, not at all home, or all the same home. Home can be big or small. They cannot be made of different things. And a house in one king of home is stand on and eat out. Eat out of our roof in front of a cabin in autumn king of home it have tree and bird at nearby. It can be made of love, a postman and another kind of home. They have one roof nearby, live on other roof. The home are not like any other. They might be in a quiet place. They may not look like at home. You have seen. In conclusion, home can be the same in some way. Home can also different many ways. How about is another kind of home is from on water is have fish and other boat as never. A motor home is another kind of home. It have wheel and I can move from place to place. In Korea, there is water channel or they and clean farm. People use them to bring water into the city. Say that I may wonder was live. It was like in pajamas. And when they lived a crayon, they saw a wall building. People told them there were children. Here said Mom, I wonder what a live was like in pajamas. They saw a part a building. It was on the side of the crayon. I looked in the narrow crayon. The crayon lived into Petra, said Mom. Mel went to Petra with his parents. They went to learn more about the city. Petra, a lot of cities in Jordan, and Petra was covered out of the mountain. I sat out of the rock to my dad. He said it was less somehow hard floor made of slate. I went in hunting from rock. I found a garden, a black rock. I saw the rock to my dad. Asked him. He said it was again and it's some kitchen custom. But I put on my rock on a pile of paper. I want their name under each one. I saw the rock. Oh, my dad, he said it. I saw the rock to my dad. He said it was limestone and some old building all made from. I went hunting in forest. I found a rock with gray and black spots. The water hit the sea and roots grow down deep into the soil. I live in stem ground out after ram the leaf got in the sunshine. The plant use sunshine to make food. The rain in the soil had a small plant. A small seed from old a small seed fall to the ground and become grow in the soft soil. The seed is built and the up inside and the rain is full. The rain is so hard into a side after the small seed is so at water from the rain. A billion a best friend that is from outer space and it's the Earth have a big cookie. I have some. Maybe have as that is the warm cookie in one bite. I use so share. I be say what's that? That are sending me in letter. Someone has some what that you have. I be saying. The next day, I don't eat playing with a time. May I play as hard. And the old breath, it's the time I toy in half. He gave one half to Abby. What are you doing, Abby asked. I'm saving the same. Hey, the next day, don't have a big bug. May I see Abby? He asked. Is this a time I shall share that ask? Goodbye, teacher.